Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your login errors in Facebook. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Now there are two ways you can fix your login errors in Facebook. First is by updating the app. If you haven't updated the app yet, go to the App Store. Tap on Search on the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and then type in Facebook. Now if you haven't updated the app yet, there will be an update button right next to Facebook. Tap on the update button, and once the update is completed, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then go back. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. And then scroll down until you find Facebook. Once you find it, tap on it. Tap on Offload app. Tap on it again. Now tap on Reinstall app. As you can see here, Facebook is being reinstalled into my phone. Once Facebook is done reinstalling, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then try restarting your phone and try again. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.